And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions, and welcome to the Sea Lion Flash.
Good morning, Sea Lion Flash.
What are you doing?
This is Sea Lion leader Macy Swinford with this week's announcements. The PTA Carnival is almost here. If you're a member of the PTA, then you can begin buying tickets at 9 a.m. on Sunday, October 5th. Buying an early ticket gets you into the drawing to win 5 free Carnival tickets. Buy your ticket to Carnival today. There is no school on Monday. We hope you enjoy your 3-day weekend. Peace and Neurodiversity Week begins on Tuesday. Wear cultural clothing to celebrate your heritage. Bring Your Cultural Day is happening on Rush Park in Rossmore on Tuesday at 5. Families are encouraged to sign up to bring a culture gist to the potluck at the park. Violin rehearsal for the Tuesday group is after school. Wednesday is Walk or Bike to School Day. Meet up at Pavilion's parking lot or the dog park on Anchor Way at 7:15 a.m. Let's go to school together. Wear silly socks on Wednesday to celebrate the many ways of thinking and learning. Sea Lion chorus rehearsal is on Wednesday after school. Thursday is the 40th day of school. All students who have 2 or less absences will receive a brag tag to celebrate good attendance. Thanks for coming to school. Peace and Neurodiversity Day continues on Thursday with Twin Day. Dress the same as a friend to highlight connection, kindness, and peace. Mr. Brent Poppin is back on Thursday. Learn all about his courageous journeys during this fun assembly. Pageant of the Arts is finally getting started. Practice takes place in the gym on Thursdays after school. Peace and Neurodiversity Week wraps up with Come Walk in My Shoes, a fun way to experience new perspectives. Wear your spirit shirt and get involved. Support the programs at McGaw by dining at Egg Bread. They are donating proceeds to PTA and Seek if you visit on Saturday between 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. Mention McGaw to the cashier. Give them your blue flyer and enjoy your meal. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Let's make it a great week.
I want to say thank you to Miss Aniceto because she was a different teacher and she was really nice to me.
We appreciate Miss O'Brien. She's really generous.
And she tells us lots of fun stories about her life.
Bye!
I also appreciate Miss Alvarado. She's doing a great job. Good job, Miss Alvarado.
I appreciate Miss Lou because she helped me read when I was in 2nd grade.
I want to thank Miss Francisco because she was super nice to me and my brother had for her and she told me she was going to be great.
We want to say thank you to Miss Saigon.
Because she always made her bad days turn into good days.
She was also really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate Miss Francisco because she's so funny, makes me have good days.
We love Dr. Arias because he teaches me difficult math problems.
Welcome back, Mr. Poppin. I can't wait to hear your story.
I got a Roblox.
Put it in. High five. Yeah.
UTK.
Let's kick things off by celebrating UTK student Austin Olson. Mrs. Donor says that Austin was very kind and gave up his swing to a new child, so she didn't have to wait. We appreciate you, Austin.
Kindergarten.
Ms. Lawrence wants to celebrate kindergarten student Brayden Coley. She said that Brayden was so kind and helped a friend clean up his snack when it went everywhere. We appreciate you springing into action and being so aware.
First grade.
Mrs. Gardner wants to celebrate first grader Costello Valerio. She said that Costello saw a friend struggling with his work, so he decided to help him out. That's what great scholars do, is share their knowledge with everyone else.
Second grade.
Let's celebrate second grader Eleonora Corona. You see, Eleonora noticed a student at recess walking alone and feeling sad, so she went to check in and become a friend. This is the peace mentality. Way to go, Eleanor.
Third grade.
Next up, for third grade, let's celebrate Miss Aniceto's student, Octavia Gaisley. You see, Octavia was an excellent teacher assistant this week, and that is really helpful to our teacher. Thanks so much.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants to celebrate fourth grader Madison Tyrell. You see, she earned 2 Robux this week. The first was because she was super aware. Noticed that her friend was out of class when Dr. Arias gave an important instruction. So she took it upon herself to write it down for him. Thanks so much. The second thing she did was show true leadership and risk-taking in a small group for reading. We really appreciate you doing everything you can to be a scholar.
Fifth grade.
And finally, we want to celebrate 5th grader Ryan G. Ryan G is taking it upon himself to try new things each and every day. He is making our school a better place when he takes risks. Thanks so much, Ryan. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!